Sehr geehrte Menschen, I know you have many questions about this topic and may have heard things that were very confusing. But don't worry, we're here to talk about it. Of course, I mean blueprint interfaces and why they are an essential tool to become a happy Unreal dev. So what are these? Imagine this. Using a blueprint interface is like giving any actor in Unreal a walkie-talkie together with a list of commands. Then you can call these commands, aka functions, from basically anywhere. And here comes the speciality. What any given actor does when hearing one of the commands is scripted within the actor and therefore up to them. Let's make an example. You have an interface called interactive containing a function called activated. When hearing the command, a door will open, a candle will ignite, and a George Clooney will prepare a beverage containing caffeine. Right-click your content drawer, and under Blueprints, you will find Blueprint interfaces. Often, the name of an interface is chosen to represent the functionality it offers. Interactive, clickable, stackable, grabbable, abble-babble, and so on. Open it up, and on the right side you will find the list of functions with one already created for you. Rename this to Activated. You can also pass variables through interface functions, but more to this later. Create as many functions as you need. And how to give this interface to an actor? Open up your favorite actor or actress and access the class settings. Right here, you can add the new interface. On the left side of our editor, some new option appeared. Hello, new option. What are you up to? Oh, you're here to give us all the functions we prepared earlier. How nice! And now you can use the activated function just like an event node. Other actors can now activated send this message. They do not need to implement the interface themselves. All they need is an object reference. How you get this will depend on your scenario. Let me show you a simple setup. I open the player character and add a collision sphere to make it more aware of its surroundings. Personal space may be a fitting name. Set the size to 120 and switch over to the event graph. We begin by using the E key as an input, and for the sake of simplicity, let's just use the keyboard E event node. Grab the personal space component and drag off the pin to access this node, Get Overlapping Actors. I'm happy that these nodes often tell what they do. It could also be called Jonathan. Drag off Jonathan and create a For Each loop. For each object within the personal space, we will ask if it does implement the interactive interface. Don't forget to select the desired interface on the node. This can often be overlooked. Hold B and click to quickly create a branch node. If positive, we send the message to the tested object. By typing the name of the function you want to call, you can plant an interface message node. It even has a little envelope on top. Que chulo! Whenever we press the E key, all actors within the personal space of the character shall receive the activated message and then do their thing. The interface test actually is not necessary. If the actor does not have an interface, nothing happens, but you know, learning shit